Right, today we're looking at a 2014 Ledwell. It's an LW48 HT2-10-PB. Southern trailer. It's not all eat up with rust or anything. It's got flip down side steps, dual controls, driver's side and passenger side. Deck on this trailer's good shape. It's got low pro 17.5 tires. The flip out side lamps, which I always point out, are just one more light to break. We usually tell people to take them off. It's got the center chain points, chain slots all the way down the middle of the trailer. Makes it really nice. Just another chain slot. This trailer also has something else that most Ledwells have it, but they put this there so that your chains don't slide if you choose to chain to the side rail. Again, a flip down side ramp on this side, passenger side. Two-speed controls for landing gear. They are cranked down. Hydraulic winch, and it does have the recessed ramp that lifts up to allow you to load the neck. If you would, give us a call if we can help with anything. 713-675-5922. It's AA Diesel Truck and Equipment, Inc.